A blood clot dog you over here, boy. Oh yeah, you can't blood clot.
Pino. Alright, sorry my boss, sorry. Sorry my general. They no star.
Investigate me about that. A bad mind thing that not been around no money. Bad mind is bomboclaat that with paper. You can't mail.
Yeah, we are brother.
Come take it blood clot. You're an idiot, you know. You couldn't want money so much and take it up your way.
Tell him go suck him mother, yeah. Yeah, this him, yeah.
Look like me argue with you.
You better, you know that.
Me ask you a question. Me say if you ever give me money yet,
You know that.
you come back and cost me for $500.
You have your no one give me.
But me forget $500 from.
And I've told you I'm big, you know. Every big $1,000. So, me beg it, least.
So me ask you, where me forget $500 from?
That blood clot cost me. No money name.
So I'm figuring, so if catch you give $500?
Don't be hard, me, now. Don't be hard, me. If no one say the G to it. You pussy clap drunk. If no one say the G to it. And you know I'm from here. You are the uncle for dead, people dead this. Now papa. But men are the papa, you know, God bless everyone away on earth. Let the female and the cock. No, I'm gonna call you. I don't want to hear 10 minutes, yeah? But I'll preach until you choke, yeah? 10 minutes!
Call Messi. Goal. You know say Messi.
Call him to blood clot. What the bomboclaat? Bombo what? Why your blood clot? Yeah, no man. What do you? Me in the video. Me no hope you look at and blood clot out on the video.
Where I run me down, pa?
Bombo what? Got a video. Your blood clot. Your maga no ras clot. They sell blood clot sperm.
You know say maga. You want chop up me and
What
maga?
the fuck you left on video? Few man they go video him.
You want chop up me and me maga?
Blood clot man. Me do what me they do no.
Me and your friend man.
What the blood clot your friend with you?
Stop going to man.
Got to put on that bomboclaat on that video. Me
Alright.
Ras clot you want.
Me put it down. Me done.
Alright.
Easy man. We don't live so no man.
Hey, but you turn on that bomboclaat on me. Me not tell us if it's a fucking dubby.
You can't make them feel say that's how we live.
Hey, that what the blood clot you left video me for?
On a purpose.
Alright, no video me.
Alright.
No, come in. Hey, put me on the man. Come in. Come in.
Oh, you can't vote. You buy this?
No, I am black. I'm out. No, I'm black. I'm out.
Juke me in my eye now.
I saw come on. You can't vote.
You can't vote. You don't agree.
You can't vote. You're not on the ID. How much is that? You're not on the ID. We're not going to talk that. No. You're talking right now. You lose. So what? More than get money.
You buy this?
No.
You buy this?
No. We have it, sir.
A Zara name I use. You buy this?
A Zara name I use.
A Zara name I use.
Go up with mama, yeah? Mama, said, yeah? Go here, yeah?
Oh, go ahead. Zara name I use. Go ahead.
No, come in now. Come and fuck your ass. I'll do it. Watch, man. Let's go, come on.
Man, you pit for me, no?
No, come on, come on, tell you about that. Man, tell you about that. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. No, don't have a car, but. Man, you might call somebody. You're not on the ID.
Who's in an ID? Go ahead.
Shoot your boy. What's your boy? Let's go, come on. You have ID, you have ID. You're not an ID. You're not an ID.
Your phone ring, answer your phone now. I want your phone.
The phone ring. So come on.
Hey, boys, yo, bag you want bleach. Throw some bleach on the bag, brother.
I want bleach your girl, pussy. Right now your girl me go look for me for car. Buy some cut for now.
Man, not tell you nothing again. You tell us your bag dirty.
No, I don't want to hear that. No, your girl me go look for with you. Money in there.
You know, no money. You don't have no money in that sample. You don't have no money in that. Move the brother, we are watch match.
Video, day short. Money back this.
Yeah.
I go look for your girl to give my day short nice on that.
Now I want to the clothes.
Yeah, now one blood clot so. You mean? But a one big bomboclaat can keep my get nice on that.
Yeah, go on, brother. Come out to the shop, my you. Face sicky people in stomach. Come out to the shop, now, brother. Come out to the shop, now. Saltfish. Ugly as fuck. I don't think,
yeah. No girl like this saltfish.
I don't think I have a white shirt, it's dirty on the inside.
Then if you dirty on the inside, you must dirty look man for your white. And you're a young blood clot boy. For your white.
One for my white body boy.
Blood clot. White man in a bad town for me. I bet you any bomboclaat money in a watch that.
Are you wash it? Are you wash it? Are you wash it?
Get your bed. Get your bed. Get your bed again.
Bomboclaat.
Hey, because he's a young bomboclaat boy. I'm feeling short out.
Why are you doing that? Yeah, bro. Watch out. Leave me there. I said, yeah, man, God, you fuck. I said, man, I'll strike you later. You're the man that call you fuck. Yeah, man. You know, you're not a pass of a school, man. You know? Mr. Lock, brother. Pussy one like that. Yo, man.
Yo, you wanna run the piece?
Yo, you want 50 them at fish you? Yeah, man, you want 50 them at fish you? Oh. Yeah, man, cat. You can't, you fuck. What's that? You can't, you fuck. Man, ground your fuck. Blood cream, you can't child sweet, no, nothing like that. What? I see the